I'll show you the fastest way to change line spacing in Microsoft Word, plus a shortcut for quick spacing changes. By the end, you'll know how to switch between single, 1.5 and double spacing without guessing where the setting is. Step 1. Select the text you want to change or place your cursor in a paragraph. Go to the Home tab, then in the Paragraph group, click Line and Paragraph Spacing to choose 190, 1.5 or 2.0. The path is Home, Paragraph, then Line and Paragraph Spacing. For more control, open the Paragraph Settings dialog. Click the tiny dialog launcher in the Paragraph group, then adjust line spacing and spacing before or after the paragraph. A fast shortcut, Ctrl+1 sets single spacing on the selected text. Quick tip: if the page still looks too open, paragraph spacing before and after can matter more than line spacing. If you're writing a paper, GenText handles the citations and bibliography inside Word while you format the page. GenText helps with citations and bibliography inside Word.